Hey, good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it is Monday night, August 10th. I want to look at two coffee stocks. First of all, the one that we all know and love, Starbucks. This is actually giving us an opportunity to buy this thing on the cheap. First of all, the trend is clear. The stock came off 59 bucks, we'll call it close to 60 bucks, failed there, and is now coming back down on volume, and that's important to note. But it's still above the 50-day moving average. You look at the weekly chart, and wouldn't you actually have liked to have bought every one of these red boxes? Well, now you got two in a row. Okay, so I think this works. The closer you can get it to the 50-day moving average, which would be right around 55 bucks, that's the lower your risk is. The stock split 2 for 1 here, and it's well above that pre-split level. And the reason that's important is because it tells you that the stock was not moving up simply just because there weren't enough shares trading. So this works. Now, Green Mountain, this is a whole different animal. Starbucks, I would look at it as the fundamental trade. That's the majority opinion, right? Green Mountain, this thing scares me to death. It absolutely scares me to death. I'd have a really hard, there's no way I would short this stock. It would have been nice if I was short here, but my point is, I think a lot of shorts are covering right now. I'm sure there are some committed ones that say it can even go lower, and they'll probably ultimately be right. But the low here is 52.40. The stock is trading at 54.61 and is deeply oversold. I think you can put on a low risk trade if you impose a stop 52.35. Just below this low. It's a trade, not a vote for Green Mountain. But you put a tight stop here, you're able to buy very close to the stop. The stock starts rallying through mid 50 up towards 60 bucks or so. I think that's your trade. I think it'll actually work over the next few days. But I'm telling you, if this stock hits a new low, you want to get out of there and get out of there fast, okay? Because again, it's Green Mountain, it's Keurig. Do you really use that stuff anymore? I don't think so.